Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 413, a studio on the 4th floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll notice is the hall closet immediately to your left. Moving on into the apartment, we next come to the kitchen. A nice modern kitchen with an electric oven and range, a microwave, a dishwasher, a refrigerator, and plenty of cupboard space. On into the living area, you'll find 5 pieces of furniture: a bookcase, a desk and desk chair, a full-size bed, and a dresser, as well as your second large closet. This apartment faces east. You get lots of bright morning light in through this picture window. Each apartment is air-conditioned and has a heating element. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a vanity, a large mirror, and a shower and tub combo. Rent for apartments in Commons West includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 413. Call us today for availability.